What's going on, people? How's it going? So I'm back again with another shoe review. This one I'm going to be doing is your favorite, Ralph Lauren. As you know, Ralph Lauren comes out with a lot of items throughout the year. One of the biggest companies in the world for clothing. And this one right here really struck my interest due to the fact that it's made in the United States. It's a yellow calf shoe. So basically, it's a boat shoe that Ralph Lauren made. It kind of seems like Sperry's, right? You would think it'd be a ripoff of Sperry's, but it's actually a lot better, and I'll show you why. For just a short price, these shoes have been going down on discounts, just based off the fact that not a lot of people really tend to buy these type of shoes. Boat shoes have obviously gone out of style. They were really in style in the 2002, the 2012 era and the 2013 era. But ever since then, they just haven't really been in style. They used to be in style like 7 years ago, 8 years ago. We were with the Sperry's trend and everybody was wearing Sperry's at school. Now they're just another type of shoe. So as you can see right here, so let's get into it. These shoes are really nice. They feel nice. I don't have any complaints really. I admit that I haven't really worn these as much, but as you can see, I like getting crazy things like this. I like getting weird items. The fact that these shoes come in all types of colors, for everybody. So if you're a fan of yellow, you can get a yellow shoe. If you're a fan of green, you can get a green boat shoe. If you're a fan of purple, I'm pretty sure they probably have that. There's also orange on there as well. There's blue, and there's also white. So, Polo has always been like crazy like this too. They always make different colors for everybody and make sure that, there's a lot of options for people. And a good part is that it's made in USA, something that a lot of people are looking for ever since 2016. Ever since 2016, I've really seen that pop up in a lot of clothing and a lot of brands. They're putting out they're putting out the fact that it's made in USA, just based off the fact that the guy who won, well, the guy who's president is Donald Trump. So a lot of people look into that. But enough politics. So you see the bottom is very nice, hardcover. It's very good. These shoes should hold up for a while. They should hold up for a while. And I'll teach you. There's several websites out there. You can get them for less than $100. It's very good deal. To get these shoes because it's full leather. This is all leather. I'm not sure if it's genuine or bonded. I'm pretty sure it's genuine leather, but regardless though, these shoes right here stand out really well. They hold up really well. And yeah, that's all. Check out more. I got some more in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.